10 latest Amazon gadgets you must see. Amazon continues to lead the charge in home tech innovation, offering smart devices that bring both convenience and creativity into our daily routines. Whether you're diving into home automation or just looking to enhance your space with the latest tech, these 10 devices are must-haves in 2025. From dynamic lighting to immersive audio and clever energy control, each gadget brings something unique to the table. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Now, let's get started. 1. Nanoleaf Shapes, a work of light and art. Nanoleaf Shapes are more than just lights. They're an artistic experience for your wall. These modular smart panels let you piece together a custom layout, transforming your space into a glowing canvas of color. With touch responsiveness, music syncing, and voice assistant compatibility, they're ideal for turning any room into an interactive light show. Perfect for gamers, creatives, or anyone who wants their space to reflect their personality, Nanoleaf Shapes can completely redefine your environment. Whether you're setting the mood for a movie night or designing a lively backdrop for your streaming setup, the panels deliver stunning visuals. While they do come at a premium compared to traditional lights, the versatility and wow factor make them well worth the price. 2. LifeEx Smart LED Light Bulb. Instant ambiance, no hub needed. The LifeEx Smart LED light bulb simplifies smart lighting by eliminating the need for a hub. Just screw it in, connect it via Wi-Fi, and start controlling your lighting from your phone or voice assistant. With over 16 million color options and adjustable brightness, it allows you to instantly change the atmosphere of a room to match your mood or occasion. Whether you're hosting a party, settling in for a quiet night, or waking up with gentle lighting, LifeEx gives you full control with just a few taps or voice commands. Its straightforward setup and rich feature set make it a fantastic choice for anyone new to smart lighting or simply looking for an easy upgrade. 3. Philips Hue White and Color Ambience Starter Kit. Lighting that does it all. The Philips Hue Starter Kit is a top-tier choice for anyone ready to commit to a full-fledged smart lighting system. This kit includes color-changing bulbs that offer a wide spectrum of lighting, from warm whites to vibrant colors, all controllable through your phone, tablet, or voice. What makes this kit stand out is the ability to group lights into scenes, schedule them based on your daily routine, and sync them with music, movies, or games. It's incredibly user-friendly, and though it's a bit more expensive than basic smart bulbs, the seamless integration and sheer quality of lighting effects make it a long-term winner. 4. Lutron Caséta Wireless Plug-in Lamp Dimmer. Easy elegance for your lamps. The Lutron Caséta plug-in dimmer is perfect for those who want to upgrade the lighting in their home without changing fixtures or replacing bulbs. You simply plug your lamp into the dimmer and get smooth, adjustable brightness control through a physical remote, an app, or voice assistant. This small change makes a big impact. Suddenly, you can create cozy corners, soft reading lights, or bright spaces without fiddling with manual switches. It's especially useful in bedrooms or living rooms, and its compatibility with most smart home platforms ensures it fits right in with the rest of your setup. 5. Goen Smart Plug. Small gadget, big smarts. The Goen Smart Plug is a compact, affordable device that adds remote control capabilities to any standard appliance. Whether you want to automate your coffee maker, set your lights to turn on at sunset, or cut off power to devices while you're out, the Goen Plug makes it possible with ease. You can manage it via your phone or use voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. Its slim design is ideal for tight spaces, though it may still block nearby outlets on a crowded power strip. Even so, its versatility and price make it a fantastic option for anyone exploring smart automation for the first time. 6. Belcon Wemo Insight Switch. Smarter control and energy awareness. If you want more than just remote control, the Belcon Wemo Insight Switch steps up with energy monitoring capabilities. Plug any device into it, like a space heater, lamp, or fan, and you'll not only be able to turn it on or off remotely, but also see how much power it's consuming in real time. The scheduling features are particularly helpful for setting routines, like brewing coffee in the morning or switching off lights automatically when you leave. Its design is a bit bulky, but its reliability and functionality make it a great pick for those looking to make their home more efficient and automated. 7. Anker Soundcore Liberty 4. Audio that moves with you. The Anker Soundcore Liberty 4 earbuds are engineered for sound lovers who also live life on the move. With powerful 10mm drivers, These wireless earbuds produce rich bass, detailed mids, and sparkling highs that are a pleasure to listen to whether you're at the gym, commuting, or relaxing at home. The Soundcore app allows you to customize the audio profile to your liking, and the earbuds' comfortable, secure fit makes them ideal for extended use. With long battery life and water resistance, they're built to handle your active lifestyle. The touch controls can be a little sensitive, but once you get used to them, the convenience is hard to beat. 8. Whimo Wi-Fi Smart Plug. Simple, effective, and budget-friendly. The Wemo Wi-Fi Smart Plug offers all the essentials of smart automation in a compact, easy-to-use form. You plug it in, connect to your Wi-Fi, and suddenly you've got remote access to any device, from lamps to kitchen appliances, right from your phone. You can create schedules, use voice commands, and integrate it into broader home automation routines. It's especially great for beginners or anyone wanting to add convenience without a large investment. Its design may be compact, but like many smart plugs, it can still block nearby outlets depending on your setup. Still, the value it provides makes it a top pick for smart home newcomers. 9. Lux Kono. Smart thermostat. Comfortable living meets sleek design. The Lux Kono. Smart thermostat offers intelligent temperature control with a design that complements modern home decor. Its clean, contemporary look fits seamlessly into any room, and the interchangeable faceplates let you customize it to match your style. Connected to Wi-Fi, it lets you adjust your home's temperature remotely using your smartphone or via voice control. Whether you're coming home on a cold day or managing energy use while you're away, the Kono makes it easy. Installation might require a bit of technical skill, but once set up, it helps you maintain the perfect indoor climate with minimal effort. 10. Marshall Stanmore II. Vintage style with modern sound. The Marshall Stanmore II is a Bluetooth speaker that combines timeless rock and roll style with premium audio performance. With its iconic amp-inspired design and tactile knobs, it's as much a statement piece as it is a high-quality speaker. It delivers powerful sound with crisp highs, deep bass, and excellent clarity across genres, making it perfect for both casual listening and house parties. Whether you're streaming from Spotify or plugging in via RCA or AUX, it handles everything with style. Though it's a bit large for travel, it's the perfect speaker for home use, where both sound and design matter. Conclusion. These 10 Amazon gadgets represent the best in smart technology for 2025, offering a blend of convenience, style, and innovation. Whether you're upgrading your lighting, automating your appliances, enhancing your sound experience, or improving home comfort, there's a device here to elevate your daily life. From entry-level tools to premium products, this list gives you options for any budget and lifestyle. So if you're ready to make your home smarter, cozier, and more efficient, these gadgets are the perfect place to start. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.